Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset the Comfy Dishwasher in 2026. Now, if your Comfy Dishwasher is frozen, not starting, or behaving strangely, a quick reset is usually the first thing that you should try. So, here is how you can do it. So, first of all, you need to start with the basic electronic reset. For that, first of all, switch off the dishwasher using the power button. After that, disconnect it from the power outlet. Leave it completely off for about 60 seconds. So this step clear the minor software glitches. Then simply reconnect the power and turn the unit back on. So once this is done, simply if the machine is still stuck in a cycle, you can perform a manual cancel reset. For that, you just have to basically look for the start or the pause button. So here, as you can see, for the Comfy Dishwasher, we have this start button available. So you just have to press and hold this start button for about 5 seconds. So most of the Comfy models will now abort the active program. You may notice the drain pump activate, which is normal. Now allow the machine to finish the draining before touching any of the controls. For touch panel models, another reliable method is you just have to first of all turn on the dishwasher, then press and hold the program or the cycle button for several seconds. So this forces the control board to exit the selected mode. If your dishwasher remains unresponsive, you can inspect some of the basics like confirm the door latch is fully engaged. You can check that the child lock is not enabled, and you can also verify that the water supply valve is open. So persistent error lights typically indicate an underlying issue rather than a reset button. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.